pub crawl. God, yeah. Ano kumpanya mo? Korean lang.
This low-key looks more like Chinatown than Chinatown.
I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow
It's actually huge.
just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care
We're going to Pride today and I'm all ready. So I wanted to incorporate the rainbow into my look today. This is not really red because I don't have red lipstick, but pink. I have blue hair and then this is green. And then I finished it off with like orange, gold, and purple eyeshadow. I'm excited!
Just flew above us with a rainbow.
How many people love them, support them, and validate them every day? You're all coming to my house for tea. I love you, everybody. Despite the amount of hate, despite the amount of nastiness that is portrayed around all of the media against transgender people, we see you, we love you, we hold you, and we will never give up, ever.
First of all, I want to say I love the fact that the first person to swear in Trafalgar Square was the patron of a children's charity. Please, everyone, show some love for Susie Green! Thank you for all the amazing work you do, Susie, and the mermaids, and I'm so pleased you can join at the front of the parade.
We ate Shake Shack. Peanuts!
I know it's a summer of love, but this next song of mine is for all you heartbroken babes in the audience. This is my single, Heartbreak Hotel. So if you like it, swipe up. It's available on iTunes. Most nights I'll be looking for one night. All of this is too much. I cry. Yeah, take another shot. Hey, hey, hands up.
Silent disco!
Oh my god.
Excited to be able to welcome this actress to the stage. She is an Academy Award winner. She is in one of Netflix's top shows at the moment. She is the star of Chicago, of Cold Mountain, of Jerry Maguire. Please go wild for the living legend that is Renee Zellweger!
human rights. God bless them, and God bless every one of you here today. Every one of you. Can I get an amen? Can I get an amen? So, not so far from here, in Westminster Square, Judy Garland performed a series of concerts that were among her final performances. It's my honor to premiere with you who know a thing or two about an unconquerable spirit. The trailer for the Judy movie.
I met a new friend today and his name is Steven.
Steven, yes, my name is Steven. Hi, everyone in the world. Hi, YouTube world. Apparently, she just met me. My name is Steven. And
My name is Reeven.
Hi.
This is the Amanda Steven Reeven show.
Where are we right now?
London, bitches!
We're going to. Oh wait, we're going to.
No, but we're still in London. We're in London, for God's sake.
We'd be in London.
Yeah, we are
We're going to
London.
London.
Love you, bitches. Bye.